Is it possible to manage your customer's entire journey in WordPress? Today, I'm going to test it out. From the first appointment to closing the deal, taking payments with a form, keeping clients updated automatically, and ensuring the project is delivered on time, everything flows in one seamless process. Can all these tools work together so seamlessly that it feels like a single powerhouse system? Let's find out. This dashboard is the heart of this entire workflow. I've already got FluentBooking, FluentForms, FluentCRM, and FluentBoards installed. And trust me, each one has a crucial role in what we're about to achieve. Currently, you can think of them as the dream team of business workflow. First, let's dive into FluentBooking. Here, I've set up multiple calendars for different services and even for each team member. One in particular is a round-robin calendar. So this is basically perfect for distributing bookings automatically and connecting with prospects worldwide. Before making it live, let's have a closer look at it. On the event details page, everything is just so nicely organized, from the event title to the description, duration, and location. I can see at a glance that nothing's missing. And here's the cool part, you're never boxed in. Need to add another host? Done in seconds. Someone can't make it and you want to remove them? Easy. Even if your availability changes, updating it takes no time at all. Everything stays flexible and under your control. Now, let's make it live so that anyone visiting my site can see the booking calendar and pick a slot that works for them. And here it is. Just look at it. Clean, intuitive, and this is literally the first touch point with my clients. The moment my client picks a time, my team is already on it, prepared, briefed, and ready to give them a seamless, professional experience from start to finish. Let's imagine the appointment goes smoothly, and we've just landed a fantastic project deal. So, what comes next? Can you guess? Of course, the payment. That's where FluentForms steps in. With 60 plus input fields, combined with the payment module, you can create any form on the go. Just to breeze through the steps, I've also created a payment form. Let's open the form. Clients' names, email, payment types, and methods are available here. If you think it's good, get ready for the better perks. I can create an integration feed to further simplify the client management process. So let's configure integrations and go for FluentCRM. Now, I'll keep the feed name unchanged and pick a list where all the client's info will be stored. Then map the field, and instead of tagging them, I'll go with enabling dynamic tabs. Here, I need to choose a tag, membership type, and the plan so every submission finds its perfect place without any hassle. Then, let's take some checkboxes according to my requirements to stay on top. The feed is enabled by default, so I'll just save the feed, and done! With my form ready and feed configured, let's make it available for my clients. And now, after finalizing any project, my clients can easily access the form, provide the necessary details, make the payment, and submit the form. And right after submitting the form, the client's info will be synced with the configured CRM lists and tags automatically. Let's verify it in FluentCRM. Everything is pinpoint perfect. As we're on FluentCRM now, it's time to step into another exciting part, automating the rest of my client's journey. From there, I can run an email campaign and even make them a part of the weekly or monthly newsletter if I want. This time, I'm moving into the automation. To notify my clients about the start of their project, let's create a new automation and then go for a scratch. Having the client's info listed and tagged properly, the rest of the journey gets easier with FluentCRM's triggers and actions. In case you need to create automations for booking and form submissions, FluentCRM is also geared up for that too. Well, for now, let's focus on creating the welcome email automation. To be honest, I've got several ways to do that. Let's go with the tag apply trigger where all the info is automatically stored after submitting the form. Following that, I need to select the tags, check the boxes according to my needs, and save the settings. Next, I'll add a wait period for like 1 or 2 hours. And then to notify my clients about the initiation of the project, I'll bring in a custom email and fill it in with the details I need. Alright, last but not least, turn the automation live. And it's set. Now, every time a new client is tagged, an email will be sent to them about the initiation of the project. And that's just one example. You can also send automated follow-ups, upsell or cross-sell other services, and ask for feedback without you lifting a finger. Okay, so the client is onboarded. Now, how do we deliver the project efficiently? At this stage, FluentBoards proves its value. It's a great tool for managing client projects, tracking day-to-day tasks, and even keeping a large team organized. Let's speak of the client project we cracked at the beginning. I can create a project board with the title and description outlining client's requirements for the project. And the stages are also great for an instant overview of your project. Also, break down the entire project into achievable tasks with all the relevant details to keep things sorted from the very beginning. Just like this one. But a project isn't complete until the client is in the loop, right? Well, FluentBoards Frontend Portal is all up for that. You can give access to only the project they want and manage the project together with your clients and team members. So you, your clients, and the project always stays in sync. Make sure you deliver it on time. And there you have it, your client's full journey. It starts with a simple booking, moves into payments, then automates client communication through CRM, and finishes the project delivery. All of it happened under one roof, WordPress, powered entirely by Fluent Products. So if you ask, is it possible to manage your entire customer journey in WordPress? Absolutely. From the very first touchpoint to final delivery, the ecosystem covers it all. And if you're ready to simplify your business and try this workflow for yourself, check the links in the description to get started today. Grab them now.